Think you know everything about your Redmi Turbo 5? Think again. In this video, I will show you 7 hidden features that most users don't even know about. And these aren't just random tricks, they are useful in daily life. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first hidden feature is the backlight, and honestly this is one of the coolest features of the Redmi Turbo 5. At first it looks like just show-off feature, but it's actually useful in daily life. You can use it for incoming calls, notifications, camera timer, music effects and much more. You also get 8 different colors, so you can customize it the way you like. And if you don't want it blinking all the time, there's a third option called on during face down, which is much more practical. The second hidden feature is the new AI features. This time Redmi has added more AI tools than usual, but the two features I use the most are AI Image Enhance and AI Image Expand. If you have an old or low quality photo, AI can improve its quality. And if a photo is cropped, AI Image Expand can generate the missing area around it. These are small features, but they are actually very useful. The third hidden feature is AI Dynamic Wallpaper. Earlier Redmi phones mostly come with static wallpapers, but on the Redmi Turbo 5 we finally get built-in AI Dynamic Wallpapers. You can apply them on both the lock screen and the home screen, and they make the phone feel much more premium and alive. It's a small change, but it completely changes the overall look of the phone. The fourth hidden feature is dual audio source. Many users open two apps at the same time. For example, listening to music while gaming or watching a video while using another app. Normally, controlling both audio sources is difficult, but with this feature you can play audio from two apps together and even adjust the volume of each app separately. To enable it, go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, Additional Settings. Tap on Adjust Media Sounds in different apps and multiple audio sources, then turn them on. The fifth hidden feature is the Center Clock and Weather widget. This home screen style became very popular after the global T series launch, and many Redmi users want the same layout. The best part is the widget is already available on the Turbo 5. It's just hidden. And to get it, go to Apps. Search for System Launcher. Then tap Clear Data. After that, you will find this new clock and weather layout. But before doing this, don't forget to take a backup of your current launcher. The sixth hidden feature is Active Visual Perception. Have you ever been reading an article or PDF and suddenly the screen turns off because the screen timeout is over? It's really annoying to keep touching the display again and again. With this feature enabled, the phone keeps the screen awake as long as it knows you are looking at the screen. As soon as you look away, the normal screen timeout works again. To enable it, go to Settings menu, Additional Settings, Active Visual Perception, and turn it on. If you read a lot of articles, documents or ebooks, you will definitely love this feature. The last hidden feature is battery protection. For a long time Redmi users wanted the 80% charging limit, while many other brands already had it. Finally the Turbo 5 gives us this feature. You get two options. The first is intelligent charging, which learns your charging habits and protects battery health automatically. The second is charge limit, where the phone stops charging at 80%. I tested it myself and the phone didn't charge beyond 80%. So yes, it actually works. You also get extra battery information like the charging cycle count, manufacturing date, and fast activation date, which is very useful especially if you are buying a Redmi Turbo 5. So these were 7 hidden features that every Redmi Turbo 5 users should know. Some of these features improve your experience while others can actually make your daily use much better. Let me know in the comments which feature was your favorite, and if you know any other hidden feature, share it with everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.